What up, guys? This is my video of my unboxing for Heat and Demolition Man on Blu-ray. I picked these up back on Amazon like on Saturday and they arrived today. And this one is the Heat. Let's start with Heat. This is the high definition definitive edition, which is one of the new editions that I saw on YouTube like a month ago back, and I had to pick this up because I don't even own the movie yet. Like, I've owned it before, but I don't know if I owned it on VHS or DVD. Don't remember. So yeah, so let's do this and we'll have a look inside. So I'm going to look at the contents of what's inside. Disc 1, just audio commentary, and Disc 2, Toronto's International Film Festival, and blah blah blah. Academy Q&A with Christopher Nolan, and the Heat Part 3 documentary, deleted scenes, Pacino and De Niro conversation, return to the scene of the crime, and the rated is rated R with violence and language, and the running time is 170 minutes, which is 2 hours 50 minutes, which I could survive that. I've seen long movies like King Kong and Batman v Superman: The Ultimate Cut. So we open that. And I'm gonna it's stuck to. I hate when they have to get stuck. Damn it, half of it got stuck. Alright, I'm going to take the digital copy out. Not the usual, but here you have just the disc art with disc 1, feature film, disc 2, the bonus disc. Same artwork, but whatever. Besides, I need it in my collection. But pretty good. I can't wait to watch this again. Hope it's so good on Blu-ray. And I've seen other people's videos on unboxing in the past, like the Steelbook that Big Film 39's unboxed. I'll leave a link down below on the description. And such as Survival's reviews of his unboxing, the one I just unboxed. Alright, next we're going to unbox Demolition Man on Blu-ray, which I picked up because I love futuristic films and I'm a huge fan. And I know some people don't talk about this movie. Well, I know. It's because it's a stupid goddamn movie.
John Spartan, you are fined 1 credit for a violation of the verbal morality.
Okay,
John Spartan, you are fined
Where's
1 credit for a violation of the verbal morality statute.
Finally, better. But yeah, sorry, that was just the language of violation. Yeah. So, Demolition Man is a pretty good movie with Wesley Snipes and Sylvester Stallone. But it just says Stallone Snipes. Kind of weird. It says the 21st century most dangerous cop and the 21st century's most ruthless criminal. It says on this Blu-ray. All you can't see it. So special features they added was commentary by director Marco Rambola, and producer Joel Silver. The theatrical trailer. They didn't add a documentary of the making of. I guess they probably didn't want to. Doesn't matter. At least I have the Blu-ray. So let's unbox it. Oh wait. It's rated PG. Oh wait, it's rated R. A non-stop action, violence, and for strong language. Seriously, if it's a hated movie, why is it rated R? Besides, kids should be watching this movie. And the runtime 115 minutes. Alright. We're unboxing Now, I'm planning to work on a script for this movie, the sequel to this. You know, I want to make a script out of it for the sequel, but some of you are going to deny that. I don't want to share my comments about it. So, here we go. That's sad. No discard. That's kind of sad. I thought it was going to be an artwork, just a different art. Pretty good. So those are my unboxings. And stay tuned for my next video, and we'll be discussing our next trip to go see Wonder Woman, which will be Wednesday. And keep your eyes open for that, boys. It might be Wednesday, who knows. And before I go, this size of Heat is the same size as the Independence Day Blu-ray, the 20th anniversary edition. The same similar look. Pretty good look. So that will do it for this video, guys. See you soon for this video. Stay tuned for my off to go see Wonder Woman flick, and I'll see you soon.